In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to Google Sheets. If you want to make a spreadsheet more useful and easier to navigate, adding a file directly into a cell is a great option. This lets you create a clickable file chip inside your sheet, so you or anyone with access can quickly open the related document without digging through Google Drive. To get started, open your spreadsheet and click on the cell where you want to attach the file. This is the exact spot where the file chip will appear, so choose a location that makes sense for your layout and is easy to reference later. One simple way to insert a file is by typing the @ symbol directly into the selected cell. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will open a drop-down menu with several Smart Chip options. From there, begin typing the name of the file you previously uploaded to Google Drive. As you type, the list will update to show matching results. Now scroll down until you reach the Files section in that drop-down list, and then select the file you want. Right away, the text will transform into a clean clickable chip that displays the file name. This makes the sheet look much more organized than pasting in a long URL. And it also helps keep important resources connected to the right row or category. Here is also another way to do the same thing if you prefer using the top menu. Click the cell where you want the file to go. Then go up to Insert in the menu bar. Hover over Smart Chips and choose File. A search box will appear, allowing you to search for your file by name. Once you find the correct file, click on it to attach it to that cell. Both methods lead to the same result, so you can use whichever feels faster or more comfortable for your workflow. If you are organizing project trackers, content calendars, client sheets, or internal team documents, this feature can save time and reduce confusion by keeping everything linked exactly where it's needed. Just make sure the file already exists in Google Drive before trying to attach it. Otherwise, it won't appear in search results. It's also a good idea to double-check sharing permissions if other people need access to the file through the sheet. That's it. You now know how to attach files to Google Sheets quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching.